Hotel Riu Jalisco just finished a complete renovation and expansion, and it reopened its doors in December 2025. That timing actually matters more than you might think. When a hotel goes through a major renovation like this, you're basically walking into a place where everything is brand new. The mattresses, the air conditioning, all of it. You won't find worn-out carpets or tired-looking furniture, and the plumbing won't be making weird noises at 3 in the morning. If you're booking for 2026, you're getting first access to completely refreshed spaces before thousands of other guests start using them. That window doesn't stay open for long at popular hotels, and it's something worth thinking about when you're deciding whether to book now or wait. This is a Riu Hotels and Resorts property, which is part of a chain that's known for all-inclusive beach destinations. The hotel is located in Riviera Nayarit, Mexico, along a stretch of Pacific coastline that's been getting more and more popular as people look for alternatives to the busier areas like Cancun and Playa del Carmen. With over 7,000 reviews on TripAdvisor, this isn't some hidden little boutique place. It's an established hotel that clearly brings back repeat visitors and attracts families looking for reliable quality at the beach. The renovation and expansion that finished in December 2025 represents a serious investment by Riu. When hotel companies commit to full renovations instead of just updating things here and there, it usually means they're confident in the destination and believe the property will perform well long-term. For you as a guest, it means you're not dealing with a hotel that's only half renovated, where some areas are updated and others feel stuck in 2010. Everything got updated at once, which creates a much more consistent experience from the moment you check in until you leave. Since we don't have specific details about room categories, restaurant names, or exact facilities, we're looking at a hotel that's in its immediate post-reopening phase where the main selling point is just how fresh everything is from the renovation. That matters differently depending on what kind of traveler you are. If you're someone who really values having the newest everything, this timing is perfect. If you care more about specific amenities or particular room layouts, you'll want to dig into those details directly with the hotel or through booking sites that have updated their information after the renovation. The fact that there are over 7,000 reviews on TripAdvisor tells us this hotel has been around long enough to build up a solid guest history. That's actually helpful context when you think about the renovation. This isn't a brand new hotel trying to prove itself. It's a place people already know that's been completely refreshed in terms of its physical condition. Previous guests who loved the location and the service but maybe felt the rooms were getting a bit dated now have a good reason to come back. New guests get the benefit of all that operational experience combined with fresh new infrastructure. Riviera Nayarit as a destination offers something different from the Caribbean side of Mexico. The Pacific coast here has a different feel. It's often less humid, with waves good enough for surfing in a landscape that's more rugged than the flat, jungle-backed beaches you find in Quintana Roo. The towns along this coast keep more of their local character, and you're more likely to see Mexican families on vacation rather than just international tourists. That cultural mix creates a different kind of atmosphere that some travelers really prefer, especially if you want your beach vacation to feel less like you're in a resort bubble. The all-inclusive model that Riu is known for works really well for families and groups who want to know their vacation costs up front. When you're traveling with kids or coordinating with extended family, knowing that meals, drinks, and most activities are already covered takes away a lot of daily stress. You're not constantly doing math in your head about whether another round of drinks or an extra snack is going to mess up your budget. For a lot of travelers, that peace of mind is worth more than the flexibility of paying for things as you go. One thing to keep in mind about hotels right after renovation is that staff often need some time to adjust to new layouts, updated systems, and different procedures. The physical property is brand new, but the operational flow takes a few months to really settle in. If you visit in the first few months after reopening, you might run into small hiccups as the team gets used to the new spaces. That's not necessarily a problem, but it's good to keep your expectations realistic. On the positive side, staff are usually really motivated during this time to make good impressions and show that the renovation was worth it. The fact that this hotel reopened in December, right at the beginning of high season for Mexican beach destinations, shows real confidence. Hotels don't usually time major reopenings to match their busiest periods unless they're sure they can deliver. It would be much easier to reopen in September or October when there's less demand and more room for mistakes. Choosing December means Riu felt their teams were ready to handle a full house with all the new systems in place. If you're comparing properties in Riviera Nayarit, the renovation timeline becomes really important. While other hotels in the area might have lower rates or special deals, you could be trading those savings for older facilities. A slightly higher rate at a just renovated property can actually be better value when you think about the condition of everything you'll be using every day. New air conditioning that actually cools the room efficiently, updated plumbing so you're not waiting forever for hot water, fresh mattresses that don't have the shape of a decade's worth of previous guests in them. These aren't exciting details, but they're the things that determine whether you sleep well and feel comfortable. The number of reviews, over 7,000 on just one platform, suggests this hotel can handle a lot of guests. That's something to consider from both angles. Larger properties usually offer more dining choices, more pool space, and more activities because they have enough guests to support all of that. But you're also sharing those amenities with more people, which can mean waiting longer at popular restaurants or dealing with more crowded pools during busy times. Understanding how you feel about crowds helps you figure out if a property this size is right for your vacation style. The reviews are overwhelmingly positive based on the sheer number of them, though no hotel is perfect and your experience might vary depending on which room you get and when you travel. The time after the renovation will probably bring a fresh batch of reviews as guests experience the updated property, so checking recent feedback from early 2026 onward will give you the most accurate sense of what the hotel is really like now compared to before the renovation. What makes Hotel Riu Jalisco interesting right now is really just the timing. Being among the first guests to stay at a fully renovated property is a specific kind of value that doesn't stick around. 6 months from now, a year from now, the newness won't be special anymore. It'll just be the normal condition of the hotel. If you're planning a Riviera Nayarit trip in 2026 and you care about everything being in perfect condition, this is the time when that matters most. After that, the hotel competes on the same things as everywhere else in the area: where it's located, how good the service is, what the dining is like, and what it costs. The Riu brand brings a level of consistency that people who have traveled to Mexico before will recognize. If you stayed at other Riu properties and enjoyed them, you have a pretty good idea of what to expect here. If you've never stayed with the brand, just know that these aren't boutique hotels with super local design and artisan everything. They're large operations designed to deliver a dependable vacation experience that appeals to a wide range of people. That approach works really well for some travelers and feels too generic for others. Knowing which type you are helps you set the right expectations. If you're trying to decide whether to book directly with the hotel or through a third-party site, the usual considerations apply. Direct bookings sometimes come with perks like room upgrades, flexible cancellation, or resort credits, but third-party platforms might have lower rates or package deals that include your flights. The best choice depends on your specific dates and situation. What matters more with a just renovated property is making sure your booking actually reflects the updated hotel. Some booking platforms take a while to refresh their descriptions and photos after major renovations, so you want to confirm you're looking at current information and not outdated listings from before December 2025. The expansion part of the renovation probably means there are additional rooms or new building sections, which can affect your experience in subtle ways. Newer wings sometimes mean longer walks to the main facilities, but they also tend to be quieter since they're farther from the busy areas. If the expansion added more rooms, it might also mean the hotel increased how many guests it can hold, which could change how crowded it feels compared to what older reviews describe. These are things worth asking about when you book if you have preferences about where your room is or how close you want to be to certain amenities. Riviera Nayarit keeps growing in popularity as more travelers figure out it offers a lot of the same beach vacation elements as more famous Mexican destinations, but with fewer crowds and often better prices. The region has put money into infrastructure, the airport in Puerto Vallarta serves it well, and there's a good variety of properties from small boutique places to large resorts, so there's something for different budgets and styles. Hotel Riu Jalisco fits into that picture as a recognized brand delivering a familiar product in completely refreshed form, which for a lot of travelers is exactly what they're looking for. No surprises, no risks, just a solid beach vacation with everything reset to new. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.